We are learning colors. White, white, white. Snow is white, white. Blue, blue, blue. Sky is blue, blue. Pink, pink, pink. This flower is pink, pink. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Mango is yellow, yellow. Red, red, red. Apple is red, red. Green, green, green. Tree is green, green. Purple, purple, purple. Brinjal is purple, purple. Do you know how many colors are there in rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet.